When someone is afraid to try something, don't say good luck. Try this powerful 3-word phrase. Go for it. Go for it. આ એક ફ્રેઝ છે. That means આગળ વધો. જરૂર પ્રયાસ કરો. Take a chance. Let's see real life examples. When someone say, I'm thinking about starting my own YouTube channel. Reply, go for it. આગળ વધો. જરૂર પ્રયાસ કરો. Now another example. When someone say, I'm nervous applying for this job. Reply, go for it. You might get it. આગળ વધો. કદાચ તમને આ જોબ મળી જાય. So friends, go for it. That means try it. આ ફ્રેઝ shorter, natural અને energetic છે. This phrase turn hesitation into confidence. So go for it. See you in the next reel.